morning, students. We are doing chapter 6, secondary activities. We have discussed the meaning of secondary activities. What do you mean by secondary activities? Secondary activities are those activities that we are doing when we are getting the raw material from the primary activities and convert into some other valuable or finished product, that is called secondary activities. So they are also called manufacturing. What is the meaning of manufacturing? Manufacturing means to make by hands, but now it includes made by machines. It means in the beginning when human beings started making the things from raw material, so he was doing from the hand, but now it is converted into machines. It means the things which we are doing from hand, that is also part of manufacturing, and now the things which we are doing from machines, that is also the part of manufacturing. It means manufacturing will come handloom industry also and powerloom industry also. It means that from the hands, the things which we are doing, they are also part of manufacturing, and the things which we are doing from machines, that is also part of manufacturing. So this is the meaning of manufacturing. Now next thing is given, modern large scale manufacturing. Modern large scale manufacturing means the industries which are at large scale, how they are doing the all things in their industries, in their activities. First is given specialization of skills. It means the people, those who are doing in that particular industry, large scale industries, so they are specialized people, they are skilled people, they are perfect in those things that they are doing. Methods of production is different. In mass, the production is in mass amount, not in small amount. Then mechanization. It means in large scale manufacturing industries, we are using the large scale machinery also. We are not using only handmade things. Then technological innovation. Technology also improved day by day. We are watching that in industries, those are coming at large scale. So they are also using the different types of modern advanced technology in their industries. Then organizational structure, they have a organizations. It means they have a group of people and they are making the plannings and each and everything for their that large scale industries. You can call it CEO, manager, all things that will be the part of organizational structures. So these things are the part of a modern large scale manufacturing. Then next will come factors affecting location of an industry. This topic you have already read in 10th class also. So this chapter, this is given that what are the main factors those are responsible for the location of an industry. It means a person who wants to set up an industry, what things he will watch, what things he will see that he will set up industry in that area. So what type of factors he will check. So these are the 7 factors he will check. So first is given access to market. You know very well the product which he will produce or finished product which he will get from the industry. So for that he will send it, there he has required market also. If there will be no market, how he will sell? अगर मार्केट ही नहीं होगी तो इंडस्ट्री को उसको मार्केट ना होने के कारण वो अपने इंडस्ट्री का मटेरियल वो कहाँ बेचेगा? So he will not get the profit. So he has required market also. The industry he will set up in that area where market is near to that industry. Then access to raw material, that is the most important thing. Without raw material, how we will make the finished product? So the raw material is required for that. For iron and steel industry, you know very well. So iron ore is required for that industry. So industry will set up in that area that the raw material will easily available to the industry. Labor supply, who will do the work in those industries? Labor. People, those who are doing that labor activities, they should be in that area, and they should be not getting so many wages. If they will get so many wages, so the industrialist will not get the benefit. He will try to get the cheap labor so that he will get the benefit. Source of energy, you know very well in the modern time, the most of the industries, they are based on machines and technologies. So they have required energy, and energy also should be in such a way that people, the industrialist will not face any problem. It means there should be a power plant or some other things so that he will get easily the energy. Transport and communication, the most important thing in the modern time, that is transport and communication. It means the things which he will produce or industrialist produce, for that to send in the market he has required transport facility. Raw material that he will get, for that also he has required transport, because raw material is cannot possible that he will get from the outside of the industry. Just he has required the transport facility for that also. Communication, in the modern time, communication is most important thing, because without communication we cannot get the proper production and industrialists will not get the proper benefit. Then government policy is the most important factor. You know very well, we have seen in some states there are a lot of industries, and in some states there are very less industries. So there are some policies of the government. That's why the industrialists, they want to set up their industry in those areas where government favors them. For example, I will tell you one industry in Kolkata, West Bengal, 20 years before, Tata Nano Industry in Singur, West Bengal में सिंगूर जगह है, वहाँ पे इंडस्ट्री लगाने का प्लान था टाटा नैनो का. बट एट दैट टाइम ममता बनर्जी इज नाउ चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल. तो उन्होंने क्या किया कि उस टाइम वो चीफ मिनिस्टर नहीं थे. एट दैट टाइम देयर वाज अ कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी इन वेस्ट बंगाल. So they wanted to set up industry in Tata Nano industry in that area, but Mamata Banerjee she criticized and she said to the people that it will be harmful for them, नुकसान करेगी, आपको फायदा नहीं करेगी. तो उसने लोगों को इस तरीके से अपनी तरफ फेवर में कर लिया. नेक्स्ट टाइम when elections were held, so she won the election and she became the chief minister. वो chief minister बन गई. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उसे वहां से Tata Nano इंडस्ट्री को हटा दिया. एंड वहां से हटने के बाद में उस इंडस्ट्री को कहाँ पे लगाया गया, गुजरात में. It was set up in Gujarat because the Gujarat government agreed to set up an industry. गुजरात गवर्नमेंट इस बात के लिए सहमत थी, इसलिए उन्होंने क्या कर दिया, वहां पे इंडस्ट्री को सेटअप कर दिया. So due to this, there are government policies also required. If government will put heavy taxes, so government the industries will not set up industry in those areas. Then access to agglomeration economies. What is the meaning of this agglomeration economies? When a large scale so lot of industry set up near to each other to get the benefit of the industry. For example, a cotton textile industry will set up in an area. So the other industry like ready-made clothes, that will also set up in near the cotton and textile industry. Why? Because they will require the cloth that they will get from the industry for that cotton textile industry. So this is the access of agglomeration economies. That is also the part of this. So these are the things we have discussed today. What are the main features of the modern large-scale manufacturing industries? Then we have discussed manufacturing का meaning क्या था. Then factors affecting the location of industry. These are very important things. So you will revise these and write down or make the notes in your note. Thank you. Have a nice day.